Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. If you like tech and helpful tips, don't forget to subscribe. Let's get started.
The voltage regulator, a critical component in almost any electronic system, doesn't have a single, universal location. Its placement varies significantly depending on the device, its function, and the power requirements of the system it serves. In automotive applications, for instance, a voltage regulator is essential for maintaining a stable electrical supply, typically around 12 to 14.5 volts, even as engine RPMs fluctuate. In modern vehicles, the voltage regulator is most commonly integrated directly into the alternator itself. You'll find it as part of the alternator assembly, often located at the back or side, and it's responsible for controlling the alternator's output to prevent overcharging or undercharging the battery and protecting the vehicle's sensitive electronics. For older cars, however, the voltage regulator might be a separate, standalone unit, often mounted on the firewall, inner fender well, or sometimes even underneath the dashboard, connected to the alternator via a wiring harness. Identifying it usually involves looking for a small, rectangular metal box with several wires connected. Moving to computer systems, specifically motherboards, voltage regulators are crucial for providing precise power to components like the CPU, GPU, and RAM. Here, they are often referred to as VRMs, voltage regulator modules, and are usually found clustered around the CPU socket, often covered by heatsinks to dissipate the significant heat they generate. You'll also find smaller voltage regulators scattered across the motherboard, supplying power to chipsets, USB ports, and other peripheral components. These are typically surface mount devices, sometimes integrated into larger power management ICs, PMICs. When dealing with external power supplies, such as AC/DC adapters for laptops or desktop computer PSUs, the voltage regulator circuitry is housed within the casing of the power supply itself. It's an integral part of the power conversion process, ensuring a steady, clean DC output voltage from the AC input. In solar power systems, the voltage regulator is a core component of the charge controller. This standalone device is typically located between the solar panels and the battery bank. Its job is to regulate the voltage and current coming from the solar panels to prevent overcharging the batteries, which can severely damage them, and to ensure efficient charging. For general electronics and DIY projects, voltage regulators can be found as discrete integrated circuits, ICs, on circuit boards. Common examples include the 78XX series, e.g., 7805 for 5V, 7812 for 12V, which are linear regulators often identifiable by their 3 pins and sometimes a small heatsink. They might be part of the power supply section of an appliance, a security camera, or a custom circuit. The key to finding a voltage regulator is often to follow the power path from the input source. Look for components that have heatsinks, as voltage regulation often involves dissipating heat. Consulting service manuals or schematics for the specific device is always the most reliable method. Understanding the system's architecture and power flow will greatly assist in pinpointing these essential components. Thank you for watching, and please remember to like and subscribe for more electronics insights.